Okay. So in term of the naming, guys, that means we have to the question write the IUPAC name of the following question. We have to understand the concept of IUPAC names. That means we have to study about the minimum rules for the naming. That means the first rule is selecting the parent chain. That means the parent chain has changed the property, that is the chain containing large number of carbon. That means the carbon contain large number of the chain contain large number of carbon, that is called parent chain. For this sequence, after that we have to use the another one rule, that means another one conceptual rules, and the another one conceptual rules is changed to the formation of application of the lowest locant rule. That means in terms of numbering, we have to use the concept when any other substituent joined to the parent chain, then you have to give the lower number to it, and this is the concept of lowest locant rule, LLR is this. When any functional group is attached to your parent chain, then your priority tends to your functional group. That means you have to decide the lowest numbering to the functional group. For the naming of this compound, guys, this is the cyclic structure, and we have also know about the name of IUPAC naming in terms of the cyclic structure. How can you write the name of cyclic structure? That means the first rule for the cyclic organic compound, we have to use the prefix that is called cyclo. After that, if there is any substituent is joined to your cyclic means, then you have to use the concept of lowest locant rule application for their numbering. In terms of numbering, we have also used the concept of alphabetical order means. That means in terms of alphabetical, this is very easy concept. That means in terms of alphabetical order, which comes first, you have to write first. That means if there is a two constituent, that means if there is two substituent is attached in a parent chain, first one is ethyl and second one is methyl, with the help of their first letter, that means in terms of methyl the first letter is M, in terms of ethyl the first letter is E. That means according to this concept, E comes before M, that means you have to write E as a lower number, that means E tends to the lower number according to the concept of alphabetical mean. And you have to use cyclo as a prefix. This is very easy for this. So according to this concept, see the question number first here, there is 1, 2 and 3 substitute is added in this compound. This is the cyclic ring of 6 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom joined together in a ring. For this concept, this is the term of ethyl and this is your methyl. According to the concept, guys, M comes after the E in alphabetical order. That means you have to give the lowest number to the ethyl, because this ethyl is written first here. That means you have to do the numbering from this. The ethyl takes the one position, that means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If you go in terms of anti-clockwise, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which comes lower position? In terms of this, 1, 4, 5 is your substituent number. In terms of this substitution, that means in terms of anti-clockwise, you have to see that the concept of this, that means 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 4, that means 1, 3, 4 is the lowest in number. The concept is 1, 4, 5, first, and second one is 1, 3, 4. That means which is the lower here? That means this is the lower. 1, 3, 4 is the lower in terms of the 1, 4, 5. That means our concept is anti-clockwise is correct. For the naming, guys, you have to write the concept here. There is the answer here. You have to write 1, ethyl, 1 ethyl, and 3, 4. You have to put comma between that, and in terms of alphabetical mean and in terms of the integer, you have to take hyphen. That means I take hyphen between 1 and E and comma between another substituent, and another substituent is 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is this. You have to write 3, 4. How many methyl is here? That means here is 2 methyl. The first methyl is this and second methyl is this. That means you have to write dimethyl. 3, 4, dimethyl, methyl. That means you have to use the prefix name as cyclo. Cyclohexane is this. Write on the notebook. The first answer of the organic compound is 1-ethyl 3,4 dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay. After that, we have to take up the second one question. This is your second one question here for the better concept. Just like these sequences, you have to again see that how many substituent is attached in your, how many substrate is attached in your concept, in your organic compound, how many substrate is here. This is first, second and third one is this. First, second and third one is this, and this is your fourth substituent in same cyclic ring. For the naming, again you have to know the how the substituent is come here. This is your ethyl, this is your methyl, this is methyl and this is methyl, guys. Okay. Your numbering is started from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That means this is 1, 2 is a lower position. That means you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 one is this. For the naming, you have to write the concept here. That means here I write the name of this organic compound. 1-ethyl, 1-ethyl. Okay. 1-ethyl 2, 4, 5. There is 3 methyl is present. Methyl number 1, methyl number 2 and methyl number third one is this. 3 methyls are attached in a similar group. That means 1, 2 and 3 is this. Okay. For this concept, you have to write 2, 4, 5, comma 2, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 4, 5. 3 methyl is there. That means you have to write trimethyl. Trimethyl. 1-ethyl 2, 4, 5 trimethyl cyclohexane is this. That means the second one organic compound in terms of naming, you have to write that this concept is 1-ethyl 2, 4, 5 trimethyl cyclohexane. Okay. Now we have to see the concept of third one here. Very easy question is this. For the concept, you have to apply the concept of IUPAC naming. That means you have to first of all select the parent chain. That means, guys, this is your parent chain. See the concept. This is your parent chain, and you have to think about the numbering for this. This is your substituent. This is your substituent. That is methyl. This is your substituent, that is methyl. For the numbering, better numbering, you have to see the concept of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 is this. From left to right consideration, for left to right. If you come right to left, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 1 is this. Now you have to see that from left to right, your substituent take 3 position. From right to left, your substituent take 4 position. That means according to the concept of lowest flow control application, we have know the concept. The lower number is the correct in order. That means if you get the 3 number position for this substituent, that means this is your correct order. For the naming, guys, you have to write here. This is the concept of 3-methyl. 3-methyl. How many carbon is this? 6 carbon joined together in a single bond structure. For this, you have to write hex here. Hex For 6 carbon hats and for the single bond arrangement between carbon-carbon atom, you have to write N. That means this is 3-methyl hexane is this. Very simple question is this, guys. For your concept, just you have to use the concept of this. You have to follow the rule of IUPAC naming, which was studied by us in the offline classes. In your offline classes, I am really you have to study about every rule of the IUPAC naming. We have to solve many more questions, but this think about the practice only. If you practice it at home, that means you have to the better knowing for this, you have to the better remembering for this. Otherwise, you have to live their practice for this. You can forget it anything, guys. Okay, I will erase the second one, okay, for the naming, because there is no space for this. In terms of the naming of third one compound, in this third one compound, you have to see that this is your cyclic structure containing 1, 2, 3 carbon only. Know the concept. This contain only 3 carbon, 1, 2 and 3 carbon, and this contain 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. That means your aliphatic mean contain large carbon than your cyclic mean. In this condition, guys, the aliphatic means becomes your parent chain, because for the concept of parent chain, for the definition of parent chain, we have to know about its definition. The meaning of parent chain is clearly said about the chain containing large number of carbon. That means which contain greater number of carbon, that is our parent chain, and that contain less number of carbon atom, that means this is your single structure compound. For this concept, this contain only 1, 2, 3 carbon, and this aliphatic contain 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. That means our parent chain is this. Our parent chain is this, and guys, this is your substituent. This is the rule which was studied by us in the previous video and previous section. This is your cyclopropene, but this carbon joined in terms of this, that's why this is your cyclopropyl, not a propene is this is your cyclopropyl. For the naming, this is your substituent and this is your parent chain. You have to write the name of substituent first. For this you have to write 1, because the position connected to the 1 carbon, 1 number carbon atom. 1 cyclopropyl, propyl. The meaning of propyl is derived from the alkyl series. When you have to prepare alkyl from alkane, we have write the definition of it. When you remove 1 hydrogen from alkane, then your alkane becomes alkyl. That means in this condition we have to remove 1 hydrogen from this. That's why this cyclopropane becomes cyclopropyl, guys. And how many carbon is joined here? That means 4 carbon. You have to write but. 1 cyclopropyl but. That means consistent with the single bonded. That is the concept of single bonded here. This is butene is this. That means the name of this organic compound is 1 cyclopropyl butane. Completed? Now we have to discuss about the fifth one here. In terms of the fifth one structure, guys, know the concept. This is your cyclic structure containing 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, or this contain 2 carbon only. That means your cyclic structure contain more carbon, and your aliphatic, that means non-cyclic, contain less carbon. In this sequence, the non-cyclic structure, alicyclic structure is your substituent, and cyclic mean is your parent chain. That means this is your parent chain. This substituent takes the lower position. For this we have to write the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your substituent of ethyl. You have to write 1 ethyl, 1 ethyl cyclo. How many carbon is there? 4 carbon. That means but, cyclobute aim is this. Completed. That means this is the concept of the naming. After this you have to see about the sixth one question. Very easy question is this. Sixth one is here. That means you have to know the concept of parent chain first. That means first you have to select the parent chain. This is your parent chain, guys. And there is two substituent is present. First one is this and second one is this. 2-methyl is your substituent. For the naming we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The position is 2 and 3 for the substituent. You have to write, guys, 2, 3 dimethyl. 2, 3 dimethyl. How many carbon is there? Pent 8. That means this is the concept of the naming of IUPAC nomenclature in terms of the naming from the IUPAC way. Okay. After this we have to discuss about this for this concept.